In this video, we are diving into 4 tactical knives that truly deserve your attention. 2 of them are industry heavyweights, trusted, battle-tested blades that you have definitely heard of. But the real excitement, the other 2 underrated gems that fly under the radar, but deliver serious performance where it matters. So if you're in the market for your next blade, don't hit buy now just yet. Stick around, because one of these could be the knife that's actually going to be great for you. Benchmade Adamas. The Benchmade Adamas 2750 Auto is what you grab when the woods get serious and your gear needs to match the energy. We're talking a rugged, mission-grade folder that blends brute strength with smooth deployment. At the heart is a 3.78-inch CPM Crewwear drop point blade, rock hard at 63-65 HRC, built to resist corrosion, retain an edge, and shrug off abuse. This beast can withstand over 1,600 inch-pounds of torque and still lock solid via its axis-assisted automatic mechanism. Crisp, reliable, ambidextrous, one-hand action all the way. The OD green G10 handles are sculpted for comfort and grip, even when wet or gloved. Ergonomics that never quit when you're slogging through brush or hiking gear-laden packs. At 5.81 ounces, it's surprisingly balanced, hefty enough to feel like a tool, yet pocket-carryable all day. Carrying it is stealthy thanks to the deep carry reversible clip, invisible in a pocket until you need it. And despite its power, blade play is non-existent. Reviews from Optics Planet users rave, hardly even notice it's there, and great knife. On aesthetic, the flat dark earth FDE Cerakote finish is tactical and non-reflective. Tactical vibes without the flash. Built in the USA and crafted by Shane Seibert, this is a trustworthy companion under canopy or combat. What's the bottom line? If you're into rugged outdoor missions, heavy-duty defense, or simply want a tool you can count on in the bush, the Adamas delivers durability, precision, and confidence. No compromise adventure gear. Next up, Spyderco Paramilitary 2. The Spyderco Paramilitary 2 PM2 remains a gold standard mid-sized EDC for outdoor adventurers and tactical users. With a 3.44-inch CPM S30V or S45VN full flat ground blade, it delivers razor-sharp slicing power, stellar edge retention, and great corrosion resistance. Ready for field duty or daily grind alike. At just 3.75 ounces with an 8.25 to 8.28 inches overall length, it strikes a masterful balance between lightweight carry and serious utility. The contoured G10 handle offers all-day comfort and grip, wet, dry, gloved, or naked. While the oversized 14mm spider hole ensures effortless one-handed deployment, even when wearing gloves. Central to its appeal is Spyderco's compression lock, rock solid, safe, and intuitive. You can flick it open with the thumb hole and close it without risking finger placement thanks to the lock's spine position. Top-tier construction and tight tolerances with quad-position clip flexibility mean no blade play and a tidy deep carry footprint, even in rugged environments. Some may find the handle's squared edges a minor hotspot under extended grip sessions, and the tip slightly delicate if used abusively, but these are trade-offs in a sleek, precision-tuned package. Across reviews, the PM2 is hailed as a cutting monster that feels ultra-responsive, almost missile-guided, and a tool worth comparing every other tactical folder to. In short, for anyone seeking a serious, reliable, all-purpose folder that blends slice speed, ergonomic mastery, and lock-up confidence in one iconic tool, the Paramilitary 2 remains a hard act to beat. Next up, the CJRB Pyrite. The CJRB Pyrite is the kind of folding knife that punches way above its price tag. An ideal choice for outdoor adventurers who demand real utility without breaking the bank. Starting at just $50, the standard Pyrite delivers surprisingly refined function on a tight budget. Built around 3.11-inch drop point blade in CJRB's proprietary AR RPM9 powder steel The Pyrite offers excellent edge retention and corrosion resistance. Steel performance you'd expect at twice or 3 times the cost. The button lock mechanism is exceptionally well executed, with a crisp detent that balances deployment and safety. Fingers stay clear of the edge when closing, an uncommon feature at this price point. Handling is clean and ergonomic. The forward coil lets you choke up for precise control, while the drop point blade performs beautifully across cutting chores like prepping, kindling, slicing rope, or field prep. At around 3.7 ounces, it's light enough for long carries but solid in hand for tougher outdoor tasks. The Pyrite family offers a wide range of variants, from basic steel scales to high-end S35VN or micarta configurations. Yet even the base model earns consistently high praise as one of the best knives in the world under $50. Some collectors debate quality control on tighter button locks, but many users on forums confirm its consistent value. In short, for knife lovers who want outdoor-grade reliability, dependable locking, and sharp practicality without overspending, the CJRB Pyrite is a standout value and a tool you can trust on the trail or in camp. Our fourth blade is the Real Steel Receptor H6S1. The Real Steel H6S1 frame lock is a low-cost marvel that delivers the feel of a high-end tactical folder without the markup. Perfect for trail-ready users who value performance over hype. At just 3.39 inches, Sandvik 14C28N blade length and tipping the scales at 3.8 ounces, it strikes a sleek balance between EDC lightness and solid usability out of the box. Edge retention and corrosion resistance punch above the price class thanks to the dependable 14C28N steel. Easy to sharpen and resilient in real-world outdoor conditions, the drop point blade with full flat grind slices through rope, kindling, or food prep tasks with surgical precision. Fit and finish are quite impressive. The textured G10 front scale feels sturdy. The stonewashed steel frame has a refined chamfer, and blade centering is spot on. No play, no wobble. The frame lock is solid, offering about 60% engagement, plus a clever Beta Plus lock bar safety that locks the blade in place for fixed blade-esque security. Action is smooth and satisfying, flies open quickly on thumb studs with a lock-up sound that hints at quality build common in pricier blades. Users on Knife Center rated 4.6 out of 5, citing ease of opening, handle feel, and sharpness as standout traits. So what's the bottom line? The Real Steel H6S1 is a surprising blend of tactical function, clean ergonomics, and safety features in a sub-$50 package. It's a dependable companion for adventurers and serious hobbyists who want practical performance without overspending. So there you have it. 4 tactical knives that each bring something special to the table. Whether you lean toward the proven legends or the underrated sleepers, remember, the best tactical knife is the one that feels like an extension of your hand, and one that won't fail you when the pressure's on. We hope this video gave you a fresh perspective and maybe even made you rethink what belongs in your pocket or on your belt. Before you make the cut on your next knife purchase, make sure you've weighed all the options. And hey, if this helped you out, don't stop here. We've got in-depth reviews on crossbows, survival tools, and everyday gear that's made to be used, not just shown off. All the links are down below. If you got value from this, hit like, smash, and subscribe to Up On Top, and ring that bell so you don't miss what's coming next.